Yo, wait. I want to tell you something. I'm not lazy. I'm just in energy saving mode.
Uh,
I have a fear of speed bumps, but I'm slowly getting over it. I told my psychiatrist that everyone hates me. He said I was being ridiculous. Everyone hasn't met me yet. I've decided to sell my vacuum cleaner. It's just gathering dust. My girlfriend told me to go out and get something that makes her look beautiful, so I got drunk. I told my North Korean friend how it was there. He said he couldn't complain. I don't have a big ego. I'm just better than everyone else. I like to hold hands at the movies, which always seems to startle strangers. I asked my friend how he got his job at the cemetery. He said he started from the ground up. Please subscribe for more.